Thanks very much. Let's turn to the weather. Hurricane Earl blowing toward the eastern seaboard this morning. Winds are now around 145 miles per hour. Let's take a look.
Tracy's joining us once again with our forecast. A lot of rain this morning. It seems like it's stopped for now. Is it coming back?
In some, about a half hour right outside our window here. We had a real heavy downpour. So we're going to get this area kind of exiting, and then we'll have to be on watch for this evening, the potential for a strong line of thunderstorms maybe to come through. So, yep, more on that in a moment. But first of all, let's talk about what is out there right now, and really within about the past hour. I've seen some heavy downpours, some thunderstorms around Carpentersville, around Inverness this morning, and we are still getting these real heavy downpours up toward Arlington Heights at this moment, just moving out of Elk Grove Village and back toward Elgin at this moment, too. Now, let's look at some of the rainfall totals. Hasn't amounted to all that much at O'Hare. Look at that, 0.06 of an inch. Midway coming in with 0.4, much of that falling during the early morning hours. Waukegan coming in with half, Joliet half, Aurora 0.6, half an inch in Kankakee. I looked at the Pontiac observation, over an inch of rain falling there this morning. Our future radar is suggesting that primarily this line of thunderstorms that comes through with the cold front comes through here during the evening hours. I still believe there could be a few thunderstorms even here in the city this evening, but there's probably going to be maybe a 1 to 2 hour period during which there will be some thunderstorms this evening in the Chicago area. 72 at O'Hare. Dew points are around 70. It is still really humid. The temperatures are not all that hot, but still the muggies are there. 71 at Midway, 75 Lakefront, 72 degrees right now in Marengo. So coming along with this cold front will be the thunderstorms possibly later on. There are actually some hints of some sun breaking out well west of Chicago now, so it wouldn't shock me entirely to maybe get a little peek of some sun here this afternoon. Meanwhile, tropical trio. Of course, we have Earl. We have Tropical Storm Fiona. And what was Tropical Storm Gaston is now a tropical depression, but it's possible that could re-intensify. Hurricane Earl, still a Category 4 storm, and it is 310 miles south of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina right now. This cold front is going to come through here this evening. Again, I do think it will activate some thunderstorms in the area during about a 1 to 2 hour window here this evening. Then behind it, much cooler. Tomorrow is going to be really windy here. I think
is still on probation after he had spent 7 months behind bars on gun charges.
We are so honored today to have legendary jazz pianist Ramsey Lewis with us. He is celebrating his 75th birthday by giving a gift of music to Chicagoans.
He's playing a free concert, and he will offer a sneak peek into his newest composition. He's going to be at the annual Jazz Fest also this weekend, and Ramsey Lewis has come into the studio. Join us. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Oh, it's our pleasure to have you. We were just joking. It was good of you to come in because I know it was in the midst of all this rain, but this is a special thing that you're doing. Tell us how it all came about.
Well, this is all worth...
Come on,